Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2020 Matchbox. This is really cool. This is in a box like these Power Grab vehicles. I saw this in like this tiny little box on the shelf at my Family Dollar a couple months ago, and I decided to pick like a few of these up. The 85 Porsche 911 Rally is what we're talking about today in this nice green color. I haven't seen it yet since it's in a box. And the $1 sticker right there. It's from MBX Jungle series. And number 66 of 100 on the 2020 Mainline. GKN48 is the number. This is a 2020 Matchbox. Here's the card art. And copyright is 2019. And this is where you get it open. I've unboxed one of these Matchboxes, these Power Grabs before on the channel. It was the Land Rover Evoque. Oh wow, this one looks a lot different than I thought it would be. See, this is the thing with the Matchboxes. You don't know what you're getting until you open it up. Wow. What do we have here? Yes, I know. This is the Porsche 911 Rally. 1985 to be exact. Holy cow. We got some great spinning wheels. Utility 6-spoke we got on this one. Look at that spare tire on the top. And 58. It says Adlar on the side. Number 58 Matchbox Rally 2020. Wow, love the rims on it. I love the rims. This is so cool. This is, oh my gosh. Wow. This thing is sharp. I'm so glad I opened this up. The back is not that detailed, although we do have some lights there. Wow. Look at that. I will give you a nice shot of those tampos right there. Look at those tampos right there. Man. Lugo lifts on there. And there's like an M for like, I don't know, Mad Mike or whatever. Interior is white. And we've got seats in the back too, even though it's a two-door. I love the color of the rims. Everything about this car is absolutely stunning. I love it. I simply love it. And good spinning wheels too. The rear ones spin independently. The front, wow, you can see like the grid on the headlights to protect them. And it's like a nice flat green. It's not like flat green, but it's not like shiny green either. It's kind of like in between. It's a bright green though. It's a lot brighter than you see here. It's more like a lime green off camera. This thing is cool. This thing, gorgeous, amazing. The base is plastic. The mold is from 2018. 1985 Porsche 911 Rally. Made in Thailand. Just take a glimpse of this beauty right here. Wow. That is an absolutely beautiful car. I can't wait to display this one. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. And goodbye.